Hi everyone, I just wanted to do a review in this one. I really like it. It's big. Really prefer to the other ones that I have bought. Let's see. You have to press hard because it's not really that sensible. Okay, you put it to sleep. I like this where you put the water so you don't have to really struggle with it. And it gives you a very high mist. I really like it. I just put my some of my oils, essential oils inside. It usually comes, I'm supposed to put it here. It's been working for a couple hours already. But I prefer it on the water. So that's a personal choice for everyone. And if you like it, I'll just check it out. It's really a lot. I started it here with the water. So, but I started on high. So right now it's just a lower everything. Remove this so you can see your lips. This is a timer in case you gotta go somewhere. Again, you have to probably press it harder than usual. Like you can put it for an hour or so. 2, 3, 4. Have different. I guess it goes all the way to, let me see, 9. I guess it's 10. Well, anyway. Oh, maybe clear. Sorry, that's clear. It did came with the manual, but I never read mine because sometimes I don't believe in manuals. I'm more like I really do it myself and find out by myself. So, and this one is for the light. Again, you have to press it very hard. So, that's my, no, that's not my favorite color. Where is it? Right there. It's kind of aquamarine, you can tell. You can lock it if you don't want anybody, the kids messing with it. It's power button. And again, I really prefer to the one that I had before. There you go. This is humidity level. I really like this thing. You can tell. Let's press it again. It's giving me a hard time, but I still love it compared to the other one that I bought. It's a little bit, maybe because this is the biggest I ever bought. That one was smaller. And apparently I already reached the humidity. 170. That's everything. So we'll keep working. I better really recommend you to like read the manual if you're that type of person. For me, it just works fine just like that. I love it. I'll put the description and the title.